Well, as I said, I've been listening to the conversation, or rather observing it on email between Daniel and Paul, getting to this trade of the day within the quick service restaurant sector. And what are we looking at, gentlemen? Have you managed to decide? A lot of emails going backwards and forwards.
There's a bit of a problem, and that is that our platform at Global Trader, gt247.com, only allows us to trade the larger cap stocks. And of these, unfortunately, the only one that is on the platform is Famous Brands.
How do you feel about making a trade of the day on Famous Brands, and which direction would you go?
Look, Famous Brands is a fantastic company. Like I said, it's arguably one of the best companies on the exchange. It's just looking a little bit too pricey for me. I wouldn't short it. It's a great company. There's no structural issues, but I would be a little bit uncomfortable buying it at such a pricey forward multiple.
Well, you've got your guest standing down. Obviously, as you've pointed out, it's your money.
Sounds like
this is on your own head.
Okay, but here was the thing. We actually own Famous Brands already, so we already made a mint on it on the way up. And the only reason we sold it recently was because we were anticipating a change of trading platform, and also we were just wanting to clear a bit of the old wood out, not necessarily the dead wood, in order to kind of consider this cycle afresh. So I'm not averse to the idea of putting it back, because with a 9 billion market cap, it's certainly big enough to be picked up. I think the Halamandaris family have been selling shares, so the liquidity has been improving a little bit. So I'm happy that Daniel feels it's a bit frothy, but I'd be inclined to put it back in the portfolio, modest position,
look,
and
it's on
see
your
if it
head,
can go
it's
a bit
your money, and I think Jean-Pierre, the team from 361 do not like what you're doing from a trading perspective. Let's just have that on record. Daniel, though, in the micro environment, well, not micro environment, I mean, it's a medium-sized company, you would definitely go for Taste.
I think it's a very exciting little company at the moment for the reasons I mentioned. The distribution business just coming on stream. I think they've got the fastest earnings growth profile. It's in an exciting space. It's got a very interesting CEO, and so that's why I go for that one.